Many of us have the misconception that the dandelion is just a common weed. Not even in your wildest dreams would you expect a dandelion tea in your morning routine. Though most landscapers find them a nuisance, dandelions have a lot to offer, despite being somewhat neglected. This pesky weed is due for a reputation makeover, as the benefits of dandelion tea include gut healing and liver support. Benefits of drinking dandelion tea. 1. Kidney function. Though dandelion tea has diuretic properties, unlike other diuretics, this root replaces enough potassium in our body. Potassium is a mineral that can help your kidney filter toxins effectively. This mineral is present abundantly in dandelion. This mineral also helps improve blood flow by acting as an electrolyte. 2. Liver. Helps to detoxify the liver. Detoxifying the liver is another health benefit of dandelion tea. The liver produces bile, which helps enzymes in the body break down fats into fatty acids. It also detoxifies and filters blood efficiently. Dandelion tea helps cleanse and maintain the proper maintenance of liver with the help of vitamins and nutrients. 3. Blood pressure. If you are looking to lower your blood pressure, including dandelion root tea can be beneficial. This tea helps your kidneys filter toxins and improve blood flow, thereby reducing blood pressure. This is because the potassium content of this root acts like an electrolyte for the body. 4. Diabetes. Dandelion tea significantly reduced fasting blood glucose when the subjects were supplemented with dandelion root powder. Though the results were that dandelion tea stabilizes blood sugar levels. How to prepare roasted and fresh dandelion tea recipe. Ingredients: 4½ tablespoons of dried dandelion root, 2 cups of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Sweetener: 1 tsp of fresh minced ginger. Preparation: place the dried dandelion root in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Roast the dandelion root until it turns golden brown and aromatic. Now add water and minced ginger to it. Bring water to a boil and then simmer it for 40 minutes. Now strain the roots and pour the liquid into a glass. Add honey and butter to it. Combine thoroughly and drink it.